Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is a review on the Philips VoiceTracer. It's an audio recorder with exceptional sound. It is great for all the videos I make. I went to my backyard where there's lots of land and lots of leaves and lots of sounds from the airplanes and the birdies above. And I also went to the beach where there's all kinds of natural sounds and people talking. I also tested it out where I typically make my videos, where it was about 10 feet away. So that made a difference on the sound quality, but I expected that. And so listen to this as I speak to you. You can hear the sound as I talk about more of the Philips VoiceTracer features. Here I am in my kitchen on my Philips VoiceTracer. I pressed the record button. It's set on low mic sensitivity and on zoom mic. I wanted you to hear what it sounds like in a room full of electrical appliances with lots of stainless steel, wood, tile, in a very unacoustic room. But this is what I sound like. I'm going to give you some more features. Now I want to show you what it sounds like about 10 feet away from me. I'm using my VoiceTracer right on top of my Canon camera right now. It's picking up my voice way far away in my kitchen as I'm telling you everything I need to tell you for this video. So that's the difference with low mic sensitivity in my kitchen to far away mounted on my camera. I could have mounted my camera right in front of me with a hot shoe adapter. It comes with that. It twists on right to the top of your camera just like this. Check this out. It makes it super easy in case you want to do maybe a beauty vlog video or some other video that you want a real close-up of your face as you're explaining something. And you can monitor your sound with earphones. They hook right up to your Philips VoiceTracer. As well, if you have a camera person, they also can wear them from their camera and listen to everything you say. That's my camera person, Zuri. We've got action, Jackson. I also want to show you what happens in different location settings. I went to the beach with my Philips VoiceTracer, and let me show you what happened there and have you hear it in 360-degree sound. The recorder is on 360 because I want you to hear the noise from the restaurant, and we also have the noise from the beach. And this is picking up all the sounds around me. I'm going to now demonstrate this with the sock on it, because after I put the sock on it, you won't hear so much of the ambient noise around. It takes the wind away. It makes it more softer of a sound. It's great for me to take my Philips VoiceTracer all over nature and grab nature sounds. I'm in my backyard and I'm going to walk over to some leaves because I want you to hear what it sounds like when I crunch on leaves in Zoom. Here we go. Crunch, crunch, crunch as I stomp on the leaves. Now you hear my voice and you hear the leaves in the background and bees buzzing. And something really great about the Philips VoiceTracer is having it in voice activation mode. And that means the VoiceTracer will go on spontaneously when it picks up sound. Like if something's going to start at a lecture, like maybe you want to put it in your child's room because you don't want them making a phone call when it's time to do homework. Or have it start right at the top of class time so you don't miss that important lecture. For me, I love it for my professional recordings for all of my videos I make for my YouTube channel. It even has a timer, so if I need to set up and then stand back, it'll go off in the amount of seconds I tell it to. That's so handy. The timer is a great feature because maybe if you're out in public or you're about to have a conversation, you want to make notes on it because it's a business meeting, you can have your Philips VoiceTracer go off automatically for that business meeting without you having to remember that detail to get that conversation. You want to be really accurate a lot of times in life. And their power saving feature has it turn off after 5 minutes of no use. It charges with a micro USB and it has a very long lasting charge once you charge it up. And it comes with a dead cat fuzzy, and this is great to deaden the other sounds that might be happening around you. Maybe there's some traffic noise or something that you don't want to come through. You just want to be clearly you. This helps. Or maybe even some wind. Like that. It records an MP3 or PCM, which is an uncompressed RAW file. And all the controls on it are easy to find and easy to press, so you can change it up to exactly the type of microphone you want with all its features. The quick start guide is included, so you can use it in a flash. Click the link below to get your Philips VoiceTracer. It's an amazing device. It's helped me so much in my videos. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great videos in life, like videos we make with one of the best sound microphones I've ever used. See you next time. I need to start whistling Dixie. I can't whistle. If you like this video on technology, check out these ones too. I think you'll like those as well.